How to connect fume extraction port, fume extraction device, and the welding machine. Connect the fume extraction tube to the fume extraction device. Connect the back hole of the fume extraction port to the welding machine. Connect the fume extraction tube to the fume extraction port. Connect the port as plug to the welding machine, which can be linked with the port. Connect the welding machine to the 220-volt power supply and turn it on. Adjust the parameters on the fume extraction device. Prepare to start welding. Fume extraction effect comparison. Clean fume extraction device constantly protect the welder's respiratory system, reduce the environmental pollution. Best choice of healthier and environmental.